Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2014 Mathematics Past Question 39. If y is equals to cos 3x, find the y dx. So, we have y is equals to cos 3x. Now, let's put u equals to 3x. Let's say u is equals to 3x. It simply means that y is equals to cos u. Now, let's differentiate y in respect to u. So, dy du will be equals to minus sine u, meaning that the derivative of cos is minus sine. So we have dy du is equals to sine u. Now du dx, differentiating u in respect to x, since u is equals to 3x, will be equals to 3, will give us 3. So now let's combine this together. Now we have that dy dx will be equals to dy du multiplied by du dx. So we have that dy dx is equal to minus sine u multiplied by 3. So that is equals to minus 3 sine u. Now remember, u is equals to 3x, so dy dx is equals to minus 3 sine 3x, and that is option A, minus 3 sine 3x. Thank you, and ensure you subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.